Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, January the 3rd, 2020, we have two Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. But we will start with the light Sudoku, so let's get started. Okay, I see a 9 in the middle column, a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 9 should be here. A 9 in the last row, a 9 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for a 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only two places for a 9 is here or there. But I see here already a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for a 9 is here or there. But I see here already a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, let me see. A 4 in this row. A 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 4 should be here. A 4 in the first column, a 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the column between, the only places for a 4, the only place for a 4 is here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 3 in this column, a 3 in the first column. So in the second column, the only place for a 3 should be here. A 3 in this row, a 3 in the last row. So in that row, the only place for a 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only two places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here already a 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for a 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 7 in this column, a 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here already a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then in the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here a 7, so no 7 there. I see there a 7, so no 7 there. Only one place for the 7 should be here. Then 5 and 2, 5 and 2. Yes, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 5 and 2 in this big square. 5 and 2. I see there are 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. One missing number in this column for the number 5. Yes, 5. One missing number in this row for the number 5. 5 in this third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here already a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, right. One missing number in this row for the number 1. One missing number in this big square for the number 6. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 1. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and then 1 goes there. 1 missing number in the last column for the number 1. Then one missing number in this column for the number 2, yes, 2. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 8. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. 1 missing number in this column for the number 1. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 7 goes here. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the number 7 and 6. 7 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 8. 1 missing number in the second column for the number 2. 1 missing number in this row for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 here. 1 should be there, and 8 goes there. So we finish this in 9 minutes. Alright, if you like this Sudoku Light, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like. Or you can download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself. Anyway, I will see you later with the Sudoku Heavy, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.